How to scan a document on WhatsApp. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can scan a document on WhatsApp. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your WhatsApp app and you have to open a chat over here, and now click this plus sign on the bottom left corner, and then it's going to pop up with this window. On this window, choose this document option, and it's going to pop up with these options over here, and you have to click scan document over here. Just simply click scan document on this pop-up, and now you have to position the document in view, and then you can just click the picture and scan it, or you can click auto over here and let the positioning be automatic. And that's how you scan a document. Once you click this document over here, right now I'm not scanning a document, but once you click that picture, it's going to give you these options over here, and now you can just drag these by just adjust these according to your need and likes, and then you have to click keep scan, and then you can just send it by clicking save over here, and then have to click the send option, and it's going to send that document in the scanned version. And that's how you scan a document using WhatsApp.